Alright, we're back. I could have got a little more down in there. That's all that muck also. So, it's all clean. Got the fins pretty clean in there. Nice head, no cracks, no nothing. Exhaust spigot's usable. Intake nipple looks usable. Got to put a ingus in there. Got a couple broken pins from abuse. Looks like a woodpecker was working on it. This side over here looks pretty good. Another little broken pin right there. Spark plug hole's good. Most of the pan screws look good. This one on here looks like it's butchered. This one here is oversized also. So this one and this one are oversized. Valve guides are really big, so each one of the grooves is oversized. That's a 5-over. 5-over, so the guides have really butchered that on this head. So even though it has no valve job done on it, the seats are nice and high. They've had a lot of valve guides stuffed in it. Maybe that or Harley screwed up when they made the head. I'll believe that. Yeah, these seats are pretty nice. They're way up there. They're like stock. They're way up there. So, nice head. Minor fin repair and it's good to go. So as far as I can tell, it's a 50 head. It's 11.0 and an E. So that looks like an 11 and an O. Or 0, whatever you want to call it. This stamp goes this way, the tag. Here's the E over here. So 11.0 with an E. Very bad casting. This one here's a 6.0 with an E. So I'm guessing O is the month maybe? There's your E again. Looks like a 6 and a 0. Maybe the O is for the month, and then the day, we got 6th day and 11th day. So, week apart, same bed casting. And same head too. Front head. Rear head's going to be casted totally different day, different molds. Well, they are different molds, so. It's not likely the back head would be this bad. Probably only the front heads are made like this. So this head here over here has more abuse to it, obviously. But the fins aren't broken. Screws are all oversized. Valve guides are oversized on the big grooves and valve guides again. Might be some manufacturing issues they had. This one, the seats look pretty high also, but they dropped the valve obviously, or no, not valve. They dropped something, a bolt and something. They did a lot of work in here. Seats look fairly high, see? It's like this one. So, obviously exhaust spigot's been abused a little bit. So my guess is their tooling wasn't that good on that week, and they were, oh, we got quietness now. My guess is the valve guide holes were not cut the correct size, maybe oversized guides. Both of these heads are pretty identical on how they're made, what they look like. See, look at the seat, how it's made. Look how the seat house in here. Exhaust seat's pretty high, exhaust seat's pretty high. Yeah, this one's actually sunk in a little deeper. Maybe they dropped the exhaust valve. See, that's actually cut way deeper. See how thick it is right there? About a 1/4 inch of material. Only got an 1/8 inch there, but they did a big in cut. See, this one doesn't have the inner cut on it hardly any. This one's voice in there. I ditched stock valve, won't even fit in this one. So this thing might have dropped a valve. Usually when you drop a valve, it puts big gouges in there, more like that. So who knows? Yeah, the exhaust has had some issues. It's got a crack in it too, in this boss down in there. Oh well. Well, anyway, there you go. Got another one of these heads. Halfway to a good set. Not with that one, this one. Alright, there you go. That's what they look like. And we're good to go on that one.